Hey everybody, Steve here from Lightnin RV. We want to introduce to you a new 2025 Thor Luminate. A-classes, we haven't had those in a couple years. Well, let me tell you, the big news is A-classes are back at Lightnin RV. This is a 35BB. She comes in at about 36 feet 9 inches long. Beautiful coach, all full body paint, huge awning with LED lights. Outside, you're going to have a nice little outside TV if you're out here entertaining. Ample storage. Storage here, storage there. Over here, you're going to have a little cook prep area with an outside refrigerator. So if you were kind of cooking over here on your table, you just have all your ways to wash your hands, maybe grab a cold beverage out of here. Want to show this very large storage area here. It kind of goes all the way underneath. So if you put long items, chairs or tables could go all the way across the top there. Around back, you're going to have a 2-inch by 2-inch tube. You're welcome to use that for your own bike rack, or we rent bike racks as well. Slide out. So this is full wall slide technology. So the cool thing about the full wall slide technology, it's going to go from right behind the driver's seat all the way into the master bedroom back here in the back. So this just opens this thing up massively from end to end. You have automotive style windows, really cool looking. A couple other additional storage on this side, but I did want to point out on-demand tankless hot water heater. Of course, it does have an onboard generator. Right now we're hooked to power. Beautiful Alcoa aluminum wheels. Coach is equipped with a backup camera as well as side cameras in each mirror, left and right. It is built on the Ford chassis. Nice, smooth, quiet ride with tons of power. Let's go inside and check out the new Thor Luminate. All right, come on inside. Let's check out this beautiful coach. So Lightnin RV wants to show you the interior of the Thor Luminate 35BB. As you can see, it's got a very spacious cockpit up here, leather chairs. Up here is a hidden bunk, so you need additional sleeping. You just have a little switch here, and push of a button, you can have a bed. You can lower that all the way down about here. These captain chairs will pivot around 3/4 the way around. It can kind of become part of this room. We have an optional table in the back, and you can put a little table here if you needed additional seating. A couple seat belts here, makes a nice bed as well. Seat belts additionally in the dinette. Now that's also going to have seat belts and make into a bed. If you look online, you'll see how you'll see it in the made position. All smart TVs throughout. This is a very nice residential refrigerator here. Yeah, this is nice as what I have at my house, but check this out. You got a freezer on one side, refrigerator on the other, tons of room. You're not going to be hurting for space here at all. Massive countertops, plenty of storage. Not only are you going to get a 3-burner gas stove, you're going to have an oven. On top, you're going to get convection and microwave combination. So you could actually be broiling a couple of different things at the same time. On back here, we have 2 bunks. Let's say you don't need bunks, you can flip this up. You do have a closet rod right here, so you could use this for additional storage, hang some clothes, etc. Come on back into the main bedroom. You're going to see king-size bed and just massive, massive storage. So another smart TV behind. You have drawers, cabinets all the way around the bed. It is amazing. Of course, you do have, a nice door here for privacy. So you could close this off. I'm going to check out the bathroom here. The bathroom is going to be, check out this glass shower enclosure. So I am 6'3", about 210. I'm going to get in here. So you can see that I could easily take a shower in here. Going to have a sink, toilet, medicine cabinet, very nicely appointed bathroom. I don't need a shower right now, so I'm going to step out. Right here is basically your home base. So everything on here with the coach, with the temperature, the slide outs, the awning, and everything is all right here at your fingertips. You can also download an app for this. So if you want to change the temperature, it's all here. Just go to climate, boom, and we can change front and rear air conditioners to what we'd like to have. So this is just a quick overview of the new 2025 Thor Luminate. Model 35BB. Check it out at Lightnin RV. We have additional pictures online. You can call, you can reserve online. Takes you about 3 minutes to do an online reservation. Check it out.